So now in this section we are going to discuss about different types of telemetry systems in detail. So let us see the types of telemetry systems. So let us see the first one, voltage telemetering system. In these voltage telemetry systems, the measurand, that is the quantity to be measured, is converted to either AC or DC voltage signals. For such systems, self-balancing potentiometers are used as receivers. So let us see its construction first. So it consists of three parts. It is voltage telemetering system is divided into three parts: transmitting terminal, telemetering channel, and receiving terminal. So this transmitting terminal consists of a slide wire potentiometer connected in series with a battery at the transmitting terminal. The sliding contact is connected to the Bourdon tube used for pressure measurement. So at the receiving terminal, a null balance DC potentiometer or recorder is used. So in between the transmitting terminal and receiving terminal, there is a pair of wires which forms a telemetry channel. So now let us see how this operates. With the change of applied pressure in the system, the Bourdon tube, it actuates the slider of the potentiometer. So therefore the slider of the potentiometer, it moves across the resistance, and because of which the voltage across this potentiometer changes. So consequently the voltage changes at the transmitting end, and this voltage is carried by the telemetering channel to the receiving terminal, where it is measured with the help of null balanced DC potentiometer indicator, which is calibrated in terms of pressure scale, or it can also be recorded. So this is how the voltage signal in terms of which is the form of pressure. So input pressure is converted in the form of voltage here, and that voltage signal is transmitted from transmitter to receiver. So at the receiver, that voltage, that change in the voltage due to applied pressure can be measured. So indirectly here we have transmitted the pressure, the quantity which is to be measured, that is measurand, the pressure from transmitting terminal to receiving terminal. So here this voltage telemetering system has a few disadvantages. The first disadvantage is these systems are affected by line resistance or line leakage reactances. And the second one is voltage telemetering system is limited for transmission of data up to only 300 meters distance. So that means it is suited for especially short distance data transmission. And the last disadvantage is the receiver, the receiving terminal, the receiver part in this voltage telemetering system is more expensive. So these are a few disadvantages of this voltage telemetering system. Now let us see the second type of telemetry system is current telemetry system. So let us see its construction first. So this current telemetry system consists of three parts: transmitting terminal, telemetering channel, and receiving terminal. This transmitting part or transmitting terminal consists of a slide wire potentiometer which is connected in series with a battery. So here the slider is connected to the Bourdon tube. The slider is connected to the Bourdon tube which measures the pressure. At the receiving terminal, a multimeter is connected in series which is calibrated in terms of pressure scale. and as usual a pair of wire is used as a telemetering channel here. So let us see how it works. So when the pressure in the system changes, when pressure is applied, the Bourdon tube, it moves the sliding contact. Thereby it changes the current flowing through the potentiometer. So this change in the current at the transmitting end is transmitted, or it is passed to the receiving terminal through these pairs of wires. At the receiving terminal, this change in the current is measured by the milliammeter, which gives the value of applied pressure. So in this way, the pressure is being transmitted from transmitting terminal to the receiving terminal by this current telemetry system.